Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What is up? I hope you're all doing well. So today's video is a highly requested one. After you guys watched my room tour and my bathroom tour, all of you wanted to see my closet tour. And this is why today I'm gonna be filming my closet tour for you all. You guys will get to see what I keep in my closet, how I store my clothes, my bags, my everything. So if you want to see my closet tour, then just keep watching. And before we begin this video, let me get something clear. I am in no way, shape or form trying to show off. This is only because all of you wanted to see how I store my clothes, you wanted to see my closet tour. This is why I'm posting it. And before we begin, please say mashallah, mashallah, because I have worked really hard for this. It's all because of my parents' prayers and their hard work that I am here right now, where I am able to show you guys my closet. I am not showing off. I'm not some kind of a rich queen or something, but this is how I am. And because of my job that I do, which is YouTube and Instagram, an influencer, I was able to afford all of this. So yeah, just wanted to get that out there. Do not forget to say mashallah. It's very important. Okay, thank you. Now let's begin the closet tour. So you guys have seen my room tour. This right here is my room. If you still haven't seen my room tour, I'll link it down below or somewhere here, so you can click on it and watch my room tour, so you'll understand where my closet is in my room. It's basically like a walk-in closet. Let me show you. So this is my room, and when you go over there, you can see my closet. It's a very nice, huge, mashallah closet. It can store a lot of clothes and a lot of stuff. It's like 6 doors. Now let me show you. So this is the closet. As you guys can see, it has 6 doors and 6 cabinets at the top. This is actually the master bedroom of my house. I actually have the master bedroom of the house. My parents have the smaller room and my brother has the smallest room. His room doesn't even have a closet. Can you imagine? He has like a small 2-door cupboard. I think guys just are like that. Anyway, me being me, I have the biggest closet because I have a lot of clothes, shoes, bags, blah blah blah. So let's start with the closet tour. So as you all can see, this right here is the first door of my closet. I'm gonna open both the doors for you all so you can see. I am a very organized person. For the sake of this video, I tried my best to clean my closet. Now these clothes over here are the clothes for outings, for events. Basically this is my going out clothes closet. Over here we've got like blazers and fancy shirts, fancy blouse, pants, all of that. Now I'm gonna go in deep and show you every single thing. Alright, so as you all can see, we have a lot going on. I hang everything like this to make sure everything is nice and I can actually see everything. So you guys can see I've got a lot of shirts and blouses over here. Some are fancy, some are simple, and I have all of them here. Winter, summer, spring, all kinds. As you guys can see, this pretty top, this is the Zara top, and then we have all these shirts, and then half of my closet has blazers. So you guys can see these are like the upper wear. This is one of my favorite yellow blazer. This is a plaid blazer, another blazer, jackets, cardigans, all of that. So this is the top part of my closet, shirts and blazers. Over here I've got like an umbrella, and I don't know what's this, something from Buckingham Palace. That's it. Alright, we're done with the top section, and that reminded me to tell you guys that whenever I buy a cloth, an item, someone actually gave me this idea which I found was very inspirational. You guys should try this too. So basically they said every time you buy a new piece, it can be pants, it can be shirt, it can be anything, take out one item, clothing item, anything from your wardrobe. This way you will always rotate, you know. So it's like you are adding goodness to the world. You're gonna donate that to someone who needs it. You will never feel the burden of living the materialistic life. I've been doing that. So try doing that. Every time you buy one new item, take one of your old item and gift it to someone, donate it, or whatever you can. Now that we're done with that, let's move move on to the section underneath these clothes. So yeah, we have the lower part. I wanted to make use of the space and not waste the space. I will show you what we have underneath. So over here we've got some of my workout clothes, pants and loose pants and all of that, and some cap, accessories, winter clothes, all of that. Let me show you guys a close-up of the things over here. Alright, so as you guys can see over here we've got a lot going on. I'm gonna go close into them so you guys can see. Over here, this section is literally all the caps that I have, Fila and all of that. Then these at the back are actually my pants and my loose pants, palazzos, all of those, skirt. Then I've got my belt here. This is a winter item. Remember, I bought this from Zara. If you watched my Zara haul, you'll know that this was the cheapest coat and it's perfect for winter. Look at how cheap it is, 99. The original price was 370. Damn, such a steal. It's so big and heavy. I still didn't find space for it, so it's here. What is this? This is another hoodie. And then these are my workout clothes. As you guys can see, we've got some workout clothes like tights, jackets, shirt. These are all my workout clothes. Literally everything workout. Then underneath this, we have another section. This section is a very small one and I only use it in winter because this is where I've kept all my winter clothes. This has my jackets, my sweaters, my sweatshirts, like the thick ones. I only use this once a year for like 2 months. So I made sure this is down here because I hardly need this. And you know, Dubai being the hottest country, we will only need this section 2 months maximum. As you guys can see, we've got like sweaters, sweatshirts, all the thick clothes, denim jackets, some coats, my turtleneck. So there's literally no space for me to keep anything new over here. All right, so we are done with the first cupboard. Let's close it and move on to this one right here. You guys will not believe what I kept here. It's hilarious. I don't think anyone ever does it unless you're an influencer or a makeup artist. Let me show you what we have here. Okay, let me open it. So this is where I have stored makeup and skincare products. Let me open the second door as well so you guys can see. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. So we've got a lot of makeup and skincare over here because I do not know any other place in my room where I can keep my skincare products. So that's why I've used this cupboard for all my skincare. And you guys know you can hardly use so much in a month or whatever in that given time period. You can't use a lot of skincare products at once because I always make sure to use a skincare product for at least 3 months to really see its effects. That's why my skincare products just keep building up. Although I do a lot of giveaways, I give it to my family, friends, relatives, blah blah. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. I get a lot of PR. Slowly take one brand out and then start reviewing it for you all so you guys can actually see which is nice and which is not. So, and then over here we also have this small little section of clothes. This is where I've kept my home clothes. So I've got my pajamas, my maxi dresses, my jalabiyas, all of that over here. Let me go in detail about all these sections so you guys can see what is inside. So this is the top section. You guys can see we've got a lot of skincare products here and it goes all the way in. I've kept some face masks over there, some moisturizers, some masks and stuff like that. Then we come down and this is actually the makeup section that I use all the time. Some lip pencils here, so every time I need some lip pencils, this is where I come. I've got some oils, as you guys can see, some moisturizers, some lashes. That's about it. Some setting sprays. We come to this section. Over here I've got all the foundations that I use on a daily. Whenever I have to film, this is where I go. I pick my favorite foundation, take it out and start filming with it. These are some nail polishes. It shouldn't be here, but it is. One hairspray. At the back, I've kept, let me show you, wait. I took out the foundations so I could show you in detail what's here. So we've got 2 different boxes over here. One is for concealers and one is for primers. I use all of these every time I have to film. Some products do get expired. They give a very bad reaction on your skin. So I end up throwing them because like you can't give away expired products and used products. But these products over here are the ones I use all the time whenever I'm filming. So let me show you what I have. This box is a PR box, but I use it all the time. I use all my PR boxes. So I've got all my concealers in this. Literally every single concealer I ever have, I've kept it here. That box is such a good one, by the way. It has all the different primers and I've kept them like this. So we're done with the top section, the top 3 sections. 1, 2, 3. Now we have to go to the 4th section, and in this section I have a lot of products that I've actually bought. More hair care and less skincare. These are the products that I keep trying. I buy them and then I want to show you all what works best. Like this curly hair brand, the Contour. You guys can see this one. I actually bought it because I'm trying to go curly. Let's see how that works. Literally we have the Contour. This is Lush body spray. This is something by Dermalogica. These are like the rollers. This is a body cream, some hairsprays, Pixie, and some more skincare. As you guys can see, the more you go in, you'll see some skincare and body care. Wishful. So this is done, and then down there we literally just have some extra products. Oh, in this I've kept my nail polishes. Let me show you. You guys can see I have so many nail polishes. Hardly wear them, but yeah, we've got a lot of nail polishes. Okay, so I've got a PR box over here, like a lot of lipsticks and stuff, a makeup box, and like a lot of these oils by Tarte, some brush cleaners. In these drawers I've got, you guys can see, some socks, some undergarments, literally some sports bras and stuff like that. Now let's move on to the next cupboard. All right, so we're done with this one. Let's close it and move on to this one right here. The top section is once again skincare, but in this section I've kept more like face wash products, serums and stuff like that. In this one it's more like masks and stuff, so I've kept like different categories because I have a very bad memory, so I forget. Over here we have some hair care products, hairsprays, conditioners, and these are some makeup products that I have as backups. So for example, I've got a lot of loose powders over here because every time my loose powders get over, I come to this cupboard and take a new loose powder. Now let me show you guys the close-up. So this is the top section where I've got like face wash, serums and all of that, moisturizers. This one is the hair care, some skincare, and then this is where I've kept like backups of the products. So you guys can see I have similar ones but in many shades. A lot of loose powders, a lot of bronzers, a lot of pressed powders, everything in a lot of shades. Literally my favorite lip oil in 3. And this is where I've kept all my pajamas and my home wearing clothes. I don't know about you guys, but I have different sections for everything. Like going out clothes is a different section, home wearing clothes is a different section. Then we've got these are like my shorts, basically the ones that I wear under my dresses and stuff like that. Some leggings, then some tank tops. So we've got tank tops, also the underneath, you know, the ones you wear underneath, and I'll show you how I've kept my tank tops. You guys are gonna love this one. I wanted to show you guys, this is normal because I've got all my, you know, shorts and my leggings over here, kept them very nice and organized. But this is where the magic is at. You guys can see how I've kept my tank top. I literally roll every single one of them. Takes up less space and gets organized very nicely. You guys can see how cool is that. If you still haven't done this, try it. You guys will love this. Your mom is gonna love you after this. So we're done with this. Over here we have the last section. This is where I've kept some of my brushes and my beauty blenders. So all my beauty blenders, some brushes that I've collected over the years. You guys can see, yeah, go in. Let's close this and move on to the last cupboard. Wow, sun is over here, so you guys are gonna see a lot of sun happening here. I don't know what to do about that. Let's see. Okay, let's open this one. This is literally my favorite closet and you'll understand why. This is also my going out clothes closet, but these are like my long dresses and my abayas and stuff like that. So you guys can see, very fancy, like very fancy clothes, very glittery, very glittery, shimmery sequins and all of that. Long ones and sets, all of that is here. We also have some Pakistani clothes here, like my khadi kurtas are here, my long abayas, my cardigans, all the long things are in this closet. And then down there I've got my bag. So let me go in detail. Let me turn the camera. We have long clothes over here. Literally they go from here all the way down to there. Then over here we've got some khadi kurtas. You guys can see these are some silk robes that I have and abayas. So this is that. And then down below when you go, you will see some bags that I have. These are some of my bags that I've kept here. So when oh, my mask, I was looking for this mask, it was lost. So whenever I need my bags, I come here. I've stored them here. I do think they need a better space, but yeah. And at the back we've kept some jeans. These are some Sephora lipsticks, and I've kept the whole box here. These are some shampoos I have, and yeah. Okay, so I haven't shown you what's in the top sections because it's honestly nothing good. Like, it's very boring stuff. I've kept all my blankets. I've kept my blankets over there. It's some very useless stuff that I hardly ever use, so it's literally over there. And whenever I need some of my old school documents, my paperwork, some books, stuff like that is up there. Do you want to see it? I think we should. Okay, let me show you real quick. So every time I have to go up and get some lame things, I take this ladder with me because I'm a short person. Let's do it. Literally going up. This is so scary, the things I do for you guys. Okay, let's open this. And as I said, I've kept all my documents here. It's my school documents. Very boring. This is done. I'll go to this one next. Going up. Guys, I'm gonna fall. Ooh, okay, I totally forgot what was here. So over here I have got some more bags that I use whenever it's like an occasion, or like, these are not my daily use things, right? Because I don't always use these bags, so I only come to this cabinet whenever I need these things. So this is a facial steamer that I bought. Look at this scary thing. I've kept it inside because I'm so scared of it. I don't like such things. So it's literally inside there. Hair dryer, some, what are these? Some face masks, some more skincare. This is a facial razor, and some more bags, some clutches, bags, and bags. So yeah. And this brings us to the last cabinet, which is right there. Let's go up. So in this we've got some random hair tools. I told you guys I hardly use things on my hair, so most of my hair tools are here. You guys saw my hair dryer was there. This is a hair curler. Wait, look at how close to the ceiling I am. It's scary. It is scary. But these are some different foundation shades that don't match me. And every time I have a giveaway, I ask you guys what's your shade, so I gift them from here. Then the Kumble is blanket. Oh my god, these are some bath bombs, I clearly remember. But these are basically some things that I've just kept here, some extra things. We're done. We are done. Closet tour has actually come to an end. So now we have officially come to an end of my closet tour. So I hope you all liked it, and let me know what else you want to see. I hope you all liked today's video. It was super fun to film it. Thank you so much for loving them and supporting me. It means so much to me. You guys have no idea. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. So until next time, bye.